time to fix a Game Boy Advance. So you can see yung original na Game Boy Advance. Walang kailaw-ilaw, madilim. We're gonna fix that using an IPS Screen Mod and a shell that will accommodate it. So let's start now. So I'm going to YouTube for a tutorial, and makita natin kung magawa natin ng maayos. Labas muna natin yung mga mods habang wala pa. That's it. And some stickers and screws. First, let's pop this open. Let's pop this thing open. Open the motherboard. Unscrew pa ulit. Screws unscrewed. The cable, the ribbon, I mean. We have successfully removed the ribbon. There we go. Motherboard. We're now going to our new case. So first, kailangan natin lipat yung mga natin dito, buttons. Okay, buttons are all set. Okay, and for the screen, peel off. Oh, that's a beauty. IPS panel connected to this ribbon. Putting tape kasi ayaw magdikit. I don't know what to do. So I don't know if that will work. We'll just wait and see. I put a tape. Ayaw kasi nung kumabit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So babalik ko na yung mga buttons ulit. Time for the motherboard. So panood ko yung black yung telephone. Ribbon connect. Oh. Fix this first. Still do this. Okay. Time. Kasama King. Okay, so we're back. And hindi ko pala na-clip ng maayos yung part ng sa may IPS display ribbon. Kaya pala hindi siya kumakapit kanina. Well, ayos na. And we'll see the results. I'll just do this. Screwed up battery. So may nagdadala kasi maya update na. Final reveal. Look at that. Napagala na ako dyan. Yes. IPS Screen Mod on the Game Boy. Successful. Try natin maglaro. What's up guys? So, I have successfully modded my Game Boy Advance with this backlit display mod. And it's actually easy. So, medyo nahirapan lang ako dun sa part na ikakabit yung ribbon from the display to the IPS module. Pero, it took me hour. As you can see, medyo nag-struggle ako kasi nung binuksan ko yung Game Boy, di gumana yung screen. Yung pala, hindi ko siya nakabit ng maayos. I tried to use tape. It's actually stupid. Pero, it is successful now. Napagana ko na siya. Pakita ko ulit para... Uy, ayaw mo gano'n. Patay na ata ito. Yan, as you can see. Ang ganda. So, bihira yan. Bihira yung makakita nung Game Boy na may backlit display. Kasi wala naman talagang backlit display ang Game Boy Advance nung binenta ito. Pero ngayon, with the use of mods na binibenta online, we have successfully modded it, and thanks to the YouTube tutorial video that I have watched na ililink ko rin down below para kung gusto niyo mag-mod ng Game Boy Advance nyo, pwedeng-pwede. Actually, meron pang pins na kasama doon sa backlit display mod kung saan pwede mong isolder doon sa motherboard para magkaroon ka ng control sa brightness. Pero it's just optional kung gusto mo lang ng option na setting para gusto mo makontrol yung brightness ng Game Boy mo like the Game Boy Advance SP. Ako hindi ko naman kailangan and wala naman akong pang solder, so I didn't bother soldering it. And ang isa pang kagandahan nun ay I can finally ditch the module na light lamp for the Game Boy Advance kasi it's actually helpful pero hindi mo rin siya ma-enjoy lalo na nakaharang siya sa screen mo and parang nahirapan ka lang. And it's outdated kasi puro mga backlit display na ngayon. And for comparison sa original screen, this is my gameplay of Pokemon Ruby on the Game Boy Advance with backlit display, and compared to the gameplay of my Pokemon Ruby on the Game Boy Advance with its original display. And kitang-kita nyo naman yung pagkakaiba. Yung nagpa-pop out yung colors, and syempre hindi masakit sa mata kasi kitang-kita mo na yung mga nasa screen mo. Overall, I love the mod for the Game Boy Advance. It's actually around 3,000 to 3,500 pesos only. May kasama na siyang customized na case kasi kung hindi ka bumili ng case, may hirapan ka, kailangan pa mag-cutting dun sa case para sa screen kasi hindi siya kasya. Hindi kasya yung screen ng display dun sa original na case ng Game Boy Advance. Pero ang tanong dyan, why should you mod your Game Boy Advance? Well, nakikita ang dahilan dyan ay kung gusto mong bigyan ng bagong buhay, yung mga luma mong console. And syempre, actually pampataas din siya ng value kasi may napagtanungan ako online na service para mag-install ng backlit display and it costs around 4,000 to 4,500 pesos. Kita nyo naman yung discrepancy, yung difference na ikaw na lang yung mag-mod and syempre yung sa ibang may papamod. Well, syempre, babayaran mo rin syempre yung nag-mod. Kaya talagang malaki. So that is my experience in modding the Game Boy Advance. So yun talaga yung purpose ng video na to. Gusto ko lang ipakita kung paano ko minod yung Game Boy Advance. And it's actually fun. So kung gusto nyo i-try, you're very welcome to try. Kailangan mo lang medyo magaan yung kamay mo para hindi masira yung mga pieces sa loob, sa motherboard, pati sa mga ribbon. Kailangan mo lang yung mga parang tri-wing na screw kasi hindi kakayanin yung Phillips na maliit na screwdriver. Hindi pwede. Iba yung screw ng mga Nintendo consoles. And that is it for this video. I don't know if I'm gonna mod this Game Boy more. Maybe I'll experiment it. Maybe next time, I can put a rechargeable battery mod in it kapag nagka-oras ako. It's actually a fun experience talaga. Ikaw, will you mod your old console just to bring back life to it? Or, you can have an experience para ikaw naman yung magbigay ng service para sa iba. And it's actually a good business. Leave a comment down below. And share your experience kung nakapag-mod ka na rin ng isang Game Boy Advance. This is Anakin. And peace!